we are heading towards next lesson entitled On Saying Please. This is an essay. It's a thought-provoking, highly humorous, but on the other hand, it's a thought-provoking essay by a veteran, highly prolific author called A.G. Gardiner, Alfred George Gardiner, who is very eminent essayist in the entire firmament of literature. साहित्य विश्वात दैदिप्यमान तारा ज्यांना म्हणून संबोधलं जातं ते ही लेखक आहे. He has written many essays and even at the age of 37 he started his career as a journalist. While teaching you report writing question activity, writing skill activity, report writing, I requested you to develop your career, to seek your career in this field also, in which journalism. He started, A.G. Gardiner started his career at the age of 37 and he started writing columns, news for Daily News London by a pseudonym. Pseudonym means pseudo force you know in physics. Physics मध्ये pseudo force कोणाला माहिती आहे? P पासून स्टार्ट होते. P-S-E-U-D-O. Spelling is pseudo. P-S-E-U-D-O. Pseudo force. Pseudonym. Pseudonym means another name. Sweetie, Dolly, Rani, Pinky असतात का नाही तुमचे? आहे का नाही? रेकॉर्डला वेगळं नाव असते. रेकॉर्डला जाणवी असं नाव असते. आणि घरात डॉली तसं. He started his career in journalism by the pseudonym Alpha of the Flu. कोणत्या नावाने सांगितले? Alpha of the Flu. He is a highly prolific essayist, and in this particular essay entitled On Saying Please. But before we proceed in this essay, I would like to ask you certain questions. Suppose a teacher, okay, is busy teaching in the classroom and some students appear. They came late. Is it good that they are coming without any seeking, without permission? Is it a symbol of good manner? There are some activities given. बघा तिथं आहेत positive traits of human beings and non-positive traits. Positive traits. What are the positive traits? Humbleness, विनयशील वृत्ती, courtesy. Courtesy means सौजन्य, इतरांप्रती आपण सौजन्य दाखवलं. Insensitiveness, sensitive च्या opposite, insensitive nature. Is it a positive trait or not? Insensitive nature. It is not. असंवेदनशील. संवेदनशील कोणाला म्हणायचं? वेद वाचण्यापेक्षा एखाद्याच्या वेदना वाचणारा माणसाच्या संवेदना आपल्याला जाग्यात म्हणता येईल. नाही विषय कळला का? हा बोलू.